Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Daily Dash. Today we are on the way to drop off these orders. If you're wondering why, there's one that's wrapped up in Christmas present wrapping. It's because when people order 2 pairs of shoes, the post office makes me cover it up so it looks like it's all one package. This is actually 2 pairs of shoes though. It's really annoying because normally I just wrap everything in saran wrap and then I mail it out. Saves a lot of money on shipping. I can charge people less money on shipping. But for some odd reason, the post office has this mandatory covering, it just, because you can see through saran wrap, they can tell that it's 2 shoe boxes. And I basically have to make it look like one. I don't know. Have you ever heard some kind of silly rule like that where it's like it actually doesn't change anything, but you're doing it anyways? Kind of like face masks or something, you know? Like it doesn't actually work, but we're doing it anyways because it's this stupid rule. I don't know. Anyways, it's basically one of those kind of face mask things. Like I've said before, like if we're gonna wear masks, we should wear masks that actually work. But like I've got plenty of these silly masks that are allowed to, like I can walk into a restaurant and do all that stuff and then we sit down and it's like, I mean, I feel like just about anyone understands how silly these mask rules are. And that's how I feel about this stupid rule that I gotta wrap my packages in stuff that you can't see through. Kind of silly. Anyways, so today's video, we're doing a daily dash trying to get an order on the way to either the gym or on the way to the post office. I wasn't able to log in for another 5 minutes though, so we'll probably get to the post office at least. Apparently, according to, let's see, what is this guy's name? Apparently to Mr. Junior Edge. Maybe you're watching this video, maybe you're not. Post the picture right here that I took of the screenshots. You have 20 businesses. Why are you doing Doordash? With it being such a small money for you, isn't it a waste of time? Apparently I'm not allowed to do Doordash anymore. This is only one of the I get tens, if not 20 comments almost every day that say, why are you even doing Doordash and all that stuff? And it's because I enjoy doing it, as silly as that sounds. Then the next comment below, I said, it's like going outside for a walk. I actually enjoy doing it. I don't understand why you don't just go for a walk then. I am having a hard time believing you do this just for fun. This is one of many negative comments that JC leaves on my videos. And it's all good if you want to leave a negative comment, as long as you're respectful. I'm not going to delete your comments and stuff. On another video, he's saying that I just was blocking people's comments because I didn't agree with them. As long as people are respectful and not talking shit and trying to be negative and put you down and stuff, I'll leave the comments up. I really don't care. I'm all about this being a debate on certain kinds of things. If I voice an opinion, for example, I just voiced my mask opinion, I still think it's a little silly. If someone has a great scientific argument that masks actually work, then I'm all open for it. Maybe they work 1%, but have you seen those videos of guys who hit the vape and then they blow it out, and even on the good masks, it just goes everywhere. It doesn't really make sense to me, you know? Why are we wearing these stupid masks? But anyways, the reason why I still do Doordash is because I only do it when it's super convenient. And for example, I've been in the house all day. I'm literally making costumes right now. Well, I'm paying my roommate to make them, but I'm helping and cutting them out. And I don't know how to sew, but I need to sew these costumes together for the San Antonio show that's next week. I've been in the house all day working on my computer, editing videos. Not only do I edit these YouTube videos you guys see every day, but I edit our commercials for our footwear company. There's so much computer work that I do on a daily basis that when it comes to I need to go mail these shoes and go to the gym, I'm like, hell yeah, I finally get to get out of the house. And I have this theory in my head. It's not really a theory, it's just a strategy that I do. If I spend a certain amount of money, like today I spent $30. I went to this restaurant called Lazy Dog with my friend Chantel. Spent $30 on food. I'm gonna try to make $30 on Doordash because that's the way I operate. I try to negative out any expenses that I make on a daily basis by doing Doordash. That way, any profits and stuff that come in from for example, shoe sales and my YouTube and all that stuff, they can be poured directly back into the business. And as long as I'm doing Doordash where it's completely convenient and it's not out of my way, I I don't do orders that go out of my way. It's very rare that I take an order that has any dead miles. That's why I say casual dashing is so important, because if you're going somewhere, like right now I'm going to mail these shoes, if I was to get an order that's on the way, why not make an extra $10? Like, it's not like it sounds like I work a lot, but I really don't work that much. Like, it's like 6 hours a day or so. It's a lot of computer work depending on what it is, but that still means, like, why not add an extra like 15 minutes to my day and make like 10 to 15 bucks or so, you know? It's not like I'm taking crappy orders or anything. Plus, I think it keeps me grounded to the content that I create. I do have a gig driver channel, and if I'm not doing any gig driving, then I probably don't understand what's going on, you know? I've never felt like I needed to defend why I still like making extra money while driving around. Like, I thoroughly enjoy doing Doordash as long as it's like 1 or 2 orders a day, because I love watching YouTube videos. Like right now I'm listening to the Timcast with Joe Rogan and Alex Jones and all this stuff. I've been listening to it all day, and like there's no better place that I like listening to podcasts and audiobooks than in my car. So if I can get paid to go listen to audiobooks, might as well. I think life and business and financials is all about making it as convenient as possible. If I can do as many things at once, it's like the 4-hour work week. I've said that a million times. If you can like pile everything on top of each other and like make it super convenient, so you're not really going out of your way and you're making multiple streams of income at once, like making my YouTube money. If I get a dash, I'm making some DoorDash money. I'm making some shoe money because I'm dropping off the shoes and I don't have to pay someone to do it right now. So it's like I'm making 3 streams of income while you guys are literally seeing me right now. And I think that's the ultimate strategy of life, is making things as convenient as possible and piling them all together. And if you have multiple streams of income, might as well do them all at the same time if you can, right? Because I used to not do them all at the same time. I used to literally wake up and I would film a YouTube video in the basement, and then I would go out and I would do the shoe orders, and then I would go to the gym, and then I would come home and I would make show sales and do the show marketing and all that good stuff. And they were all separate. And I realized I was working 12 to 15 hours a day. My fiance at the time was pissed because I never had any time for her. And now that I've like really compiled everything, it's almost like I have created the 4-hour work week, but it's more like 4-hour work day because I still work quite a bit. But anyways, just felt like I needed to rant a little bit about why I still like doing DoorDash. And it's, I don't know, for me it's not actually hard work. Like, I'm just driving around. I actually really enjoy driving. Like, hence I just drove across the country. I enjoyed just about every minute of that. I love being in the car by myself, getting to be alone with my thoughts and expanding on my thoughts. And that's when I think of the best ideas, is when I'm in the car by myself. I just drove from Florida, 36 hour drive in 39 hours. And I'm about to drive, and then I drove to California a few days after that, came back. I'm about to drive all the way to San Antonio, which is 19 hours, and then back. Like, I really enjoy driving. Driving is fun to me. And I just feel like it's a little adventure, you know? Get a little bit of an adventure every single day. Anyways, I'll be right back after we drop this off. Got about, oh, I could log in now. So I'll be right back when we get an order. All right, just leaving the post office. Gonna head over to the gym right now. Doesn't look like we got a couple orders that came in. One of them was $3.75 from Chicago Six Wings, which is one of the places that I do have on my blacklist of places I will not go to. Just because of how bad the service was one time that I went in there. Like, they were so far behind, I just do not want to go there again. And then I got another order from Capriotti's that went to the Strip for $3. In order to go to the Strip, it would require me at least $30. So, got 10% of the amount of money they would need to pay me to go to the Strip. But anyway, so if you guys haven't yet, which I hope you guys all have, but can you go over to my footwear company, offaccessathletics.com, use the discount code Black Friday, because we got a crazy Black Friday sale going right now, which is why I had so many shoe orders today. Yeah, lots of people buying the shoes. They're only $40 right now. So that's literally the best deal you're ever going to get on some shoes. If you guys like athletic shoes, look no further. And we also got those skate shoes coming in pretty soon, although they're still being delayed by the manufacturers. It is what it is, but anyways, all right. I'll resume this video after the gym because it looks like we're not going to get anything on the way to the gym. All right, just pulled up to the gym, but quick question for you guys. Would you take this order? It is literally from the parking lot that I'm in over to the next parking lot over. This is one of those ones where I could literally just like ride my one wheel from one parking lot to another. Comment down below, would you guys take it? $3.75 for less than a mile. I'm not gonna take it. Right, just left the gym. Just got an order from, let's see, it's from Panda Express, which is in this parking lot that's right here that I'm in right now. And it delivers exactly on the way home. Perfect order. It's always easier to get these orders when you're like sitting around in the gym, like waiting for them to come in because you are occupying your time, which means you have a lot more time to kind of waste. Be like more selective, you know. I did get a shitload of orders that kind of sucked, but at least it wasn't static that time. It was super loud. I don't know why there's got to be some kind of setting in my car that I don't know, but it always has the stereo blasted to level 20. There's only like, I think there's 30, so it's pretty loud. There's got to be some kind of setting that I have in my car where it just reverts to 20 every time I turn my car on. It's like some kind of sick prank that like Ford plays on you or something. It always usually automatically goes to the stereo unless my phone is plugged in, then it goes to whatever I was listening to last, which is typically heavy metal music if I'm in the gym. Anyways, I wanted to talk about these chips right now real quick. This is definitely not an advertisement, but I'm just saying, these chips are so good. This is my first time having them. They're called protein chips. Tastes like straight up like Taco Bell. Calories, 140. 5 grams of fat. 5 grams of carbohydrates. 19 grams of protein. If you guys were looking for a healthy snack, I'm not saying this is healthy as far as nutrient-wise, but as far as macronutrient-wise goes, this is a perfect little snack for in the gym. So I feel like I'm just like walking around the gym eating, there's a guy passed out in the middle of the road right there. Maybe I'll film him on my way out. I feel like I'm eating Taco Bell just walking around the gym, but I feel like I'm eating healthy Taco Bell with all the phthalates or whatever that stuff is that I talked about in the other video. Anyways, we're pulling up to Panda. Be right back after we drop this off or pick it up. All right, don't mind me just eating my Taco Bell. Well, it literally tastes, I swear to God, it tastes exactly like Taco Bell. Anyways, check this out. Bam! I don't know if you can see that, but this order literally delivers. Maybe it's like a quarter mile above the street that I'm already driving on to go back to my house. Not that any of you guys know where I live, but it's basically super conveniently on the way. I only got to drive a little bit up. The only problem with doing these casual dashing orders where I try to just get it completely on the way is I usually throw out whether it's an apartment. Because I usually, like when I would do more serious dashing more often, I would typically try to look to see if it was to an apartment. If it was, I would like try to avoid it unless it was really good. Anyways, these chips are so damn good. I feel like they should be sponsoring this YouTube channel right now. Anyways, but this order does deliver it to an apartment. It's not COVID, I swear, it's these chips stuck in my mouth. Anyways, I'm gonna drop this order off because I only got about 53 seconds left on this video before I run out of space on my memory card and I don't have anything else I can delete. So, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you check out offaccessathletics.com. Use the discount code Black Friday until Black Friday, and then you will get like 65% off-ish. I think it brings the shoes down to about $40. Well, it brings them down to $40. So, if you want a pair of shoes, go to offaccessathletics.com. Also, if you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and also smash that like button for me. And I got a bunch of other affiliate links down below if you guys want to check those out. If you want to invest into crypto, there's my Coinbase link and all that good stuff. So anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.